Hi everyone, welcome back. In previous lecture we have seen count aggregate function. In this lecture we will take a look into sum aggregate function to calculate the sum of all the values in a specified column. So here let us first of all go to the command prompt, and here we have used count aggregate function in previous lecture. So let us continue with the same employees table and sample data. So here let us first query the employees table by using select star from employees query. So here we can see employees table has 6 records. Next, let us see how to use sum aggregate function to calculate the sum of the salary column. Okay, so here just type the statement select and followed by the aggregate function name sum, and then here we are going to calculate the sum for all the values in the salary column. So let us pass the salary column name to the sum aggregate function and then give the alias by using as keyword, and let us say the alias name total underscore salary. Next, from employees table, hit enter, and here you can see the total salary for all the employees in the table. Okay, so this is how we use sum aggregate function to calculate the sum of all the values in the specified column, in our example salary column. Okay, so this sum basically sums all the values in the specified column and returns that sum, and that is what got printed over here. Okay, so this is how the sum function works. Next, let us see how to use sum aggregate function to calculate the total salary for a specific department. So here we have calculated the total salary for all the employees in all the departments, but now what we want is we want to use the sum aggregate function to calculate the total salary for a specific department. Let us say IT department. Then how we can write the SQL query. So here just type select and then followed by, let us specify the department so that we can see the department in the result set, and then followed by the aggregate function sum, and then pass salary column name and then give alias as total underscore salary from employees. So here we are going to calculate the total salary for a specific department. So here just use the where clause to add the condition, where department equal to IT, and then hit enter, and here you can see the result set. IT department has a total salary 65,000, and if you can see the number of records in the employees table, so IT department has 3 employees, and you can count the total salary for these 3 employees, 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 20,000, total 65,000. That is what got printed over here. Okay, so this is how we use sum aggregate function along with where clause. Next, let us see how to use sum aggregate function with group by clause. So basically here we are going to write the SQL statement to retrieve the employees by department and calculate the total salary for each department. Okay, so for that just type the SQL query select followed by the column name from which we are going to group, that is department column, and then specify the aggregate function sum, and then pass the column name in which we are going to calculate the sum, that is salary column, and then as the alias total underscore salary, and then from employees table, and then here we are going to group by department. So here group by department and hit enter, and here you can see the output department and total salary. So IT department has this total salary, HR has this, sales has this. So this is how we use sum aggregate function along with group by clause to group the employees by department and calculate the total salary for each department. Alright, perfect. In next lecture we'll take a look into the average aggregate function. Alright, great. I will see you in the next lecture.